Man, what's going on, everybody? Happy Sunday. You know the vibes. Man, I miss y'all. I miss y'all, boys and girls. Hopefully y'all been doing good. If you've been riding, hopefully you've been riding safe. What have I been up to, man? Well, that's something we're going to cover in this video. But first and absolutely 100% foremost, we hit 500 subscribers. The big 500, big 500. I really appreciate each and every single one of you who is taking the time to hit the subscribe button, who's taking the time to like, to comment on these videos, man. You know, I really have a lot of fun making these. So the love, the feedback y'all been giving me has just been incredible. With that being said, I'm going to get on the bike here, record a quick little video for y'all. I just want to make sure we get something out, kind of talk about where I've been, my plans for the channel, and chop it up a little bit with y'all, man. I love y'all. Again, if you're out riding anytime soon, make sure you're riding safe. Watching out for those crazy people, because you know they're everywhere. And yeah, I'll see y'all on the bike. Peace! Man, what's up, everybody? Happy Sunday. Y'all know the vibes. You know the vibe. Man, I miss y'all, boys and girls. I've been missing y'all a bunch. First and foremost, man, we hit the big 500. Much love to each and every single one of you lovely folks. 500's been a big goal of mine, and here we are. Let's get on her. Let's see 100. I miss being on the bike. Woo! Man, if you guys are out riding today, if you've been out riding in the last month or two since I haven't posted that long, make sure you're riding safe. Watch out for them crazy people on the road. They're everywhere. I've been preaching this since day one, and goddamn it, I'm gonna preach it every day. There's some crazy people out there. But in today's video, man, I want to take the time, first again, thank each and every single one of you for hitting 500 subscribers. Man, the love is insane. I haven't posted in like 60, 70 days, bro. 60, 70 days, and the subscribers still been going up. I mean, the love y'all show me is just, bro, it's unreal. It's unimaginable. So big props to y'all, man. Don't you think for a second I forgot about this community, because goddamn it, I haven't. I think about y'all every single day. I check my YouTube dashboard every single day, even though I haven't posted in 60, 70 some days. Man, I'm replying to comments as soon as I see them. I've been missing y'all. God, I've been missing y'all. But then you start asking yourself, well, gee, what's up, man? You know, what's up with the absentee, my boy? Where you been, Chief? And man, to that, I tell you this, I have lacked the creative flow, the creative juices to put out these videos for y'all, man. I really kind of lost my spark after my last video, and a lot of that is because being here in Nebraska, really anywhere in the Midwest, you know, if you're from the Midwest, you understand what I'm about to say. There's 4 or 5 months out of the year where I cannot ride. And by cannot, I mean I physically could not, because it's below 0 degrees, or there's a goddamn foot of snow on the ground. So that idea right there, it's created this roadblock in my mind. Because then I sit back and wonder, well, what in the fuck am I gonna do for y'all for 4 or 5 months out of the year? This channel, as the title fucking, you know, as the title says on the channel, it's Riding with G. This is a motorcycle goddamn channel. So what the hell are we gonna do for 4 or 5 months, man? That's what I've been asking myself on a daily basis. And to be honest with y'all, I still don't know. I don't know. And it sucks because let me tell you this. There's something about making YouTube videos. There's something about the content creation world that I love so much, that I have a consistent passion for. And so as I sit here and think, God, what am I going to do for 4 or 5 months? I really kind of get sad. It sounds a little corny, but God damn it, it's the truth. I get a little sad. Because all I want to do, no way y'all are like, oh, okay. All I want to do is put videos out here for y'all. You know, this is what I enjoy. I enjoy getting on the bike. I enjoy just chopping it up with y'all. Sharing a piece of my life with you lovely 500 plus individuals. That's what I love. But I can't do that for 4 or 5 months. Not on the bike at least. So I gotta figure out something to do. You know, I bought like this detachable microphone. I've been thinking about maybe getting into the whole TikTok game. You know, that's a nice i8 right there. My God. You know, say what you want about TikTok, but they're doing something, bro. They're doing something. They're moving views, bro. People are making money, you know. TikTok might be a platform that I can utilize for those 4 or 5 months and create some other kind of content while I can't be on the bike. So I don't know, that's one idea. You know, another idea is I'm a gamer at heart, bro. I still play games. I be all up on the games all the time. And I used to stream on Twitch a lot. Built this really great community like 10 plus years ago, man. And I love that. So I mean, maybe we do that for 4 or 5 months out of the year. Shit, you know, maybe we do that in general. Get that flowing again. I don't know, man. You know, as I've kind of lived these past several months, I've really taken a lot of time to reflect on who I am as a person. What do I want out of life? What do I provide in life? What kind of man am I to the people in my life? You know, at the end of the day, for me, God forbid I die tomorrow, but whether it's tomorrow, whether it's 50, 60 years from now, I want to be able to reflect on my life and say, as a man, I could accomplish this. As a man, I stood on this. You know, as a man, I did this to the people in my life. And so I've really been reflecting on that. Because life is so fucking short, man. I mean, it really is something that I could be taking tomorrow. Again, God forbid, right? Like, that's the last thing I'd ever want. And I know it's the last thing my friends and family would ever want, but it's the truth, man. No one in this world is guaranteed life. No one in this world is guaranteed years and years and years of life. It's not a guarantee. And so part of that is, how do you spend that time? How do you maximize that time here on earth? Again, whether that's from the perspective of how do I be a man and grow the foundations of being a man to then reflect on. You know, so I really kind of been in my bag. Mentally, hey, physically, baby, I've been in the bag. But I've really been in my element, man. Man, it's beautiful. God, it's beautiful. 500 subscribers. Man, what the fuck? Y'all are insane, bro, man. I love y'all. I love y'all so much. 500 subscribers is no joke. And with what, like 4 or 5 videos? Like, yeah. Oh, man. It's still only up from here, man. It's always gonna only be up. So with that being said, I'm going to take some time, continue to reflect on how I can maximize these 4 or 5 months of non-riding. And when I have the ability, whether that's creatively, whether that's physically, whether that's emotionally, mentally, I'm going to drop a video for y'all. But I'm going to take my time, bro. I love y'all, I really do, but I gotta look out for me. And I've said this before, I'm gonna say it again. I'm not gonna sit here and just drop shitty ass videos for y'all. I'm not gonna do that. I want my videos to have a purpose, bro. Some kind of purpose. I mean, shit, even if it's just to get on the bike and thank y'all for 500 subscribers, bada bing, bada boom, and I'm out. You know what I'm saying? Like, they gotta have a purpose. I'm not just gonna get up on here and talk some bullshit. That's a lie. I'm absolutely gonna get up on here and talk some bullshit. You get what I'm saying though? Like, I want to make sure that the videos I put out, you know, they add meaning. They add meaning to my life. They add meaning to someone else's life. Someone can watch my video, reflect on things I'm saying, and either say, wow, you know, this is apparent in my life, or wow, you know, I can take this information, whoop de whoop, you know, you get the vibe. But so yeah, man, I'm gonna enjoy the last bit of this ride here, get home, enjoy my last bit of Sunday before we start this work week, and I'll see y'all boys soon. All right, you can bet on that. Oh, and the 500 subscriber giveaway. Hey, motherfucker, don't you think for a second I forgot about that, okay? It's just been a matter of, again, putting out a video for y'all and you know, kind of getting back into the rhythm of things. I still haven't quite figured out how we're gonna do the giveaway. I'll definitely announce the winner on live, just so that way, you know, y'all know who I'm pulling, and you know it ain't some BS. But yeah, we're gonna do that soon. I think, you know, I'm thinking like $100 cash to the winner. And if you're a motorcycle rider, I'm thinking maybe like $100 RevZilla gift card. I don't know. I'm just thinking of shit. If you don't ride bikes, you take the 100 cash, bada bing, bada boom. Go get some groceries. You know, take your girl out for a nice dinner. Hey, it's on G, baby. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, I'm out of here, y'all. If you're new here, hit that motherfucking subscribe button, baby. 500 subscribers, we out here. Drop a like, drop a comment. I love y'all. I'll see y'all soon, man.